This is a King Super 20 tenor saxophone, one of the most beloved vintage saxophones, and I'm going to show you how to use your key leaves saxophone key props on this particular vintage saxophone. So most of the time on modern horns, you can just put it under the E flat arm and the C sharp arm. But in this case, it's quite tall and doesn't quite get under there. So what you can do is you can try arching it up, and depending on your make and model, you can just arch under low C sharp, just like that. That opens C sharp, G sharp. And then you can come around and you can get that right there under the E flat arm. And you're done. G sharp is open to dry clean, C sharp's open, and E flat. And you're done on your King Super 20. Now some Super 20 models, they have a little bit different mechanism here, and you might not be able to prop right under the key arm of low C sharp. In that case, what you're going to do is you're going to just use the advanced feature. You're going to pull the strap off of the leaf props, and then you can double it up, align the holes like that, and just take one of the leaf props, just pinch it down in and wrap it around. And so by doing that, you now have these available to work at any distance, and you've created a little more fatness to it. So another way you could do it on this particular make and model is to just open up C sharp, come down here under in the bow section right there, and by opening from that side of the auxiliary lever, you get G sharp open to dry as well. And then you can take the other little leaf prop and you just slide it under the E flat arm like that. You can scoop it, you can come from either direction, whatever works for you, and you are set to go with your King Super 20 tenor saxophone.